Open the package. You will get a charging case, a pair of DESTEK T1 wireless earbuds, a charging cable, 3 pairs of ear tips, 3 pairs of ear wings, user manual and service card. Open the charging case, then take out the 2 earbuds and tear off the protecting film on the charging piece of the earbuds. If you put the earbuds back into the charging case, the red light will keep on when they are in the charging process. Take out both of the earbuds. The lights flash alternately red and blue, indicating that the earbuds are under the pairing mode. Turn on the Bluetooth of your device. Click DESTEK T1 to connect. Then the phone will pop up DESTEK T1 Mono and would like to pair with it. Please make sure to click Pair. Then the earbuds are successfully connecting with your device. Enjoy the HD audio. When wearing the earbuds, please note the ear wings needed to be placed inside the cochlea to maintain the good sound quality, also prevent the earbuds from falling off. Once the earbuds pair with your device successfully, either the left or the right one can be automatically repaired with the previous pairing device and can be used directly. If there is any issue when connecting, choose Forget, DESTEK T1 and DESTEK T1 Mono, then turn off the Bluetooth. Long press the right earbud or the plus key on left earbud for 3 seconds to power off. Put them back in the charging case. Then take out both of the earbuds and follow the tutorial to reconnect with your device.